What's going on, guys? My name's Justin from The Art of Repair, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about microsoldering and why it's so important that it is the first thing that you learn whenever you start down your journey to the center of repair. It doesn't matter if you are an established level 1 and level 2 shop that's been in the business for 10 to 15 years and you've been changing all the screens, doing all the batteries, or if you are just getting started. Maybe you're just some sort of standard electronics shop or retailer and you're thinking, seems like they're having fun over there. I kind of want to have fun and add that to my services too. I want to do repair. How do I get started? Well, both are the exact same answer. You need to learn microsoldering and board level diagnostics. These are the core fundamental skills that really anybody in the electronics repair industry should know and know how to do pretty well, right? Because what they're going to do is they're going to prevent you from having all sorts of really bad conversations with people where, here, I'll give you a couple quick examples, okay? Scenario with me for just a second. If you haven't started repair yet, these are going to happen to you, and if you are already doing repair now, these are going to sound real familiar. First and foremost, you go up to the customer at the front, you say, "Oh, I accidentally damaged something. I can't really fix it. I know a guy," but that's not good news, is it? You don't want to have to tell somebody you got to send off their device because you messed it up on accident. You should be able to just fix it yourself with your microsoldering skills, right? Number two, what if you walk up to the customer and you say, "Hey, I see the problem right here, but I can't fix it. I got a guy," but now we know that's not good news. They don't want to hear that. They want you to fix it. You're the hero. You are the shop that should know how to do it because they came to you. And number three, my favorite one of all time, is just straight up telling people, "I don't know." And that is the worst of all. You don't want to tell somebody you have no clue whatsoever, right? So with that being said, whether you are a retailer who is thinking, "Hey, I want to get into repair," and maybe add that as a service, or maybe, like I said, you're already an established repair shop doing level 1 and level 2, and you want to make sure that you continue progressing forward, microsoldering is the way. If you've got a new technician, this is the road they need to be taken first. And if you need any help whatsoever, I do run courses in the Netherlands, both for international and if you are a local Dutch person who wants to hear it in Dutch, we do have that as well. Either way, the information is in here somewhere, and I'd love to help you get to that next level or start you on your journey to the center of repair in general. So anyway, I will catch y'all later.